On-trend, innovative, easy to install. Our waterproof rigid core flooring is not only a beautiful addition to your home, it's extremely durable and easy to maintain. A dust mop or broom can be used for daily maintenance. When necessary, clean with a moist cloth or mop and a neutral pH cleaner. Avoid heavy use of detergent cleaners, as these will leave a residue and, over time, lead to a cloudy film. Never use floor polish or floor cleaning wax or oil soaps. Best of all, our waterproof rigid core flooring is protected by our industry-leading residential and commercial warranties. Create an affordable, easy care floor with our range of today's most on-trend, wood-look luxury, waterproof rigid core planks. Next generation, 100% waterproof, vinyl plank flooring featuring the easy install locking system.